used a fragment of a Galway Canal poem, and it goes like this. Sometimes it is necessary to reteach a thing its loveliness. It's a beautiful little gem, just that fragment. Sometimes it is necessary to reteach a thing its loveliness. And I asked Janet to write her own Sometimes It Is Necessary poem. And this is what she wrote. Sometimes it is necessary when the storm threatens to fill your small boat, you need to be free of the cold lash of rain. Save yourself from the ocean. To save yourself from the ocean, you jump into the water. And I looked at Janet and I said, important question. Can you swim? And she said, yes, I think I can. Now, Janet was actually using the metaphor of the ocean and her small boat getting flooded to reflect the family situation that she was in with elderly, abusive parents who were flooding her with their demands. You do not have to be a poet to unlock the creativity of your clients. All I needed was a little help from the genius of Galway Canal. So my toolbox actually has hundreds of exceptional poems that can change your life and the lives of your clients. And I put together several of these exceptional poems in a course that I call 5 Poems to Change Your Life. And these 5 poems actually reflect 5 questions that I have found over the last 40 years of doing therapy. I have found that these questions come up. So I am inviting you to embark on a little journey with me. As Ursula Daly Ward said, every time I travel, I meet myself a little more. Come embark on this journey with me to 5 poems that can change your life.